Hello, aspiring coders. In this project, we will redo our previous traffic signal project by adding more sophistication. That is in Schogini Toys DIY Kit's advanced traffic signal. We will add beeps and countdown indications, allows the yellow light will overlap to give better warning for signal change. This time, we are diving into the L305 advanced traffic signal adventure. Before we get started, let us set up the kit. Ensure your kit is switched off. Take the traffic signal module from your kit and connect it. It has 4 pins, and you'll find one labeled as GND. Align this pin with pin number 3 on your CPU. The other pins will naturally fit into pins 4, 5, and 6. Need visual aid? You can check out this video. Once connected, power on your kit. Glide through to menu L305. Haven't navigated through our menu before? Check out our menu navigation tutorial to get up to speed. At L305, sit tight for 10 seconds or flick the joystick right to summon a helpful message. Want to skip the tips? A quick nudge to the left will do. Yes. The scrolling help message also tells you how to connect the module. Press the joystick to begin. Before the traffic signal sequence begins, the same help message will appear once more. If you'd like to skip this, simply move the joystick to the left. Can you spot the enhancements in this advanced project compared to the L301? This sophisticated traffic signal not only beeps but also features a countdown with an overlapped yellow light, providing a clearer warning before signal changes. When you're ready to exit, move the joystick left to head back to the main menu. Get creative. Use the included jumper wires to give your traffic signal a real-world makeover by placing the LEDs into a model traffic cutout. Now, let's peek under the hood at the Python code controlling this magic. Customize the timing, tinker with the settings, and see what new patterns emerge. Grab the code and further your experiments using menu L306. Need assistance? Our friendly AI chatbot is here to guide you through any coding challenges. For more resources and to continue your journey toward becoming a Python pro, visit us at Schogini Toys. Happy coding, future Python masters! Congratulations! Remember, with our Schogini Toys DIY kit, you can learn to create activities just like this one. For more exciting project ideas and updates, be sure to visit our Schogini Toys website and subscribe to our Instagram and YouTube channels.